What's down, what's left, what's right, what's up, girls and guys. And good morning po sa lahat. Time check around 6 I think 6 a.m. here in Dubai time. Pero wala pa po akong tulog. Meron lang po akong kaibigan na nag-request. He is from Pakistan. His name is tingnan po natin kung anong pangalan niya. Si Safdar Abbas. Ang tanong niya is how to create PayPal account. Yan. How to create PayPal account daw po. Yan. Hi Mr. Abbas, how are you? Assalamualaikum. Please watch this video. Maybe it can help to you. Okay, I'm gonna start now. I'm going to my main screen, the application. Then we go to PayPal. By the way, I have already PayPal account, brother. So this is my PayPal account. I open it. So fingerprint for PayPal. You need to create a fingerprint there. Let's go back one more. We go to, of course, you go to Google Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, Mac Store. Okay, then you go to you type PayPal apps. This one. This one, the PayPal mobile cash. Okay, just download this one, and let's see. I will try to uninstall this application. Then I will go to Play Store. Okay. Install. Just wait until it's full loading. Shout out po sa mga birthday celebrant ng March. Lalo na sa aking mahal na ina na si Babylin Alvarez Hagat Espedido. Yan. And shout out din po sa aking brother na si Mark Aryan Hagat. Birthday din po niya. So there is a sign up or log in. Sign up ka. You go to the sign up. Then your mobile number. Then next. So let's try. Because I have already account. Let's try. Sorry. Because I didn't then they will send you a confirmation number on your phone. So let's wait for the confirmation. And then I think that's it, my friend. Because I have already account, it will not. But I will check on my message. So they didn't send me a confirmation number. So that's it. Just put your number and then confirmation. Put it in, and then you will get registered already. Let's go back to that PayPal now. Wait. Email. So that's it. You just need to have your email address. And then the password. And, let's see if I still remember my password. Oh, I think I forgot my password. Now it's okay. I think so. So just remember, brother, huh? Just remember always your password. Save it so you will not forget. Okay, it's really important. So now I open already my PayPal account. Okay. So that's it, bro. Hoping you follow my instruction. Okay. Thank you so much to all Pakistani. My friend. See? Naked. Okay. Mr. Abbas, thank you so much. Hoping you follow my instruction. Please subscribe, share, and don't forget the bell button. To click the bell button for more updates. Yan, request lang po kayo kung ano pong gusto nyong kanta. Anong gusto nyo pong, you can request whatever you like me to, ano rin?
To do it.
To do it. No, not do it. Tutorial po, yan. Thank you.